Top 6 altcoins that are set to explode in 2022. Alright everybody, welcome back to our channel and hop into another crazy day in the world of crypto. I don't know where you guys might be now, but you need to know that these markets are growing rapidly. That is why today we are going to talk about the top 6 altcoins that will explode in 2022. Speaking about altcoins, we cannot deny the fact that altcoins have surpassed our expectations from the returns point of view. Whereas Bitcoin continues to encounter resistance near $60,000, but this hasn't stopped altcoins from advancing on their previous all-time highs. If we look at the charts, they are going up in a very bullish manner. It is slowly becoming a market of infinite coins. However, identifying the best cryptocurrencies to invest in could be a tedious task for many. Well, not anymore. In this video, we will help you pick the best from the lot. As always, getting into the analysis, we must understand its roots too, right? So first of all, what is an altcoin? It is basically an alternative digital currency to Bitcoin. New features are getting added to every new generation altcoin, but not every coin is worth your money. Yes, that's right. If you invest a high amount of money in some of these coins, you may end up losing all your money and your hopes. So, which altcoins should we invest in? If you are an investor in the cryptocurrency market, I guess before you buy anything, just thinking it would be profitable. So, join us as we explore the best options out there. Let's start with our number 6, Polygon MATIC. It was created in India in 2017. It was originally called the MATIC Network. It was the brainchild of experienced Ethereum developers, Jayanti Kanani, Sandeep Nailwal, and Anurag Arjun, as well as Mihailo Bielik. Currently, it is valued at nearly $20 billion on the public market and has recently tapped Polygon to support custom NFT drops and secondary market transactions. In the future, Polygon wants to offer a framework for blockchain networks that will allow users to create interconnecting blockchain networks. If this comes to pass, developers will have a lot of liberty for network creation. They will be able to develop standalone, flexible and scalable blockchains. Coming to the prices, for now Polygon price equals to around 1.9 USD. If you buy Polygon for $100 today, you will get a total of 50.465 MATIC. Based on experts' forecasts, a long-term increase is expected. The price prognosis for the year 2026 is a whopping $10.667. With a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around plus 438.19%. These are some insane returns in the MATIC, but the next one is even more exciting. Number 5, Polkadot DOT. Polkadot was founded in 2016 by former co-founder and CTO of Ethereum, Gavin Wood. It's created by having a vision in mind that they wanted to get away from the blockchain turf mentality, or to at least mitigate it by having the ability to have multiple chains, and it was then launched in May 2020. The 8th biggest blockchain by market cap has been making headlines in October, with its ability to integrate the different blockchains by creating a cryptocurrency network that connects them to work together. Polkadot has done a fairly good job in 2021. Industry experts believe that the same trend is likely to continue for the years ahead, thus making it an ideal cryptocurrency investment. The Polkadot crypto forecast from Price Prediction put the coin at an average price of $53.72 in 2022, $81.14 in 2023, and $166.38 in 2025. Next up is one of the most underrated ones. Number 4, Cardano ADA. Cardano is an open-source and decentralized blockchain project founded by Charles Hoskinson, co-founder of Ethereum in the year 2017. It was created to provide a more balanced and sustainable ecosystem for cryptocurrencies. It has a layered architecture that facilitates smart contracts, enabling a platform that is both adaptive and scalable without having to compromise security. The ADA coin price is predicted to project that the price could leverage $2.92 in 2022, up from $2.36 in 2021, and climb to an average of $4.71 in 2025. It predicted that by 2028, the coin could average $7.07. One of the biggest announcements from Cardano is their $100 million investment in Cardano-focused projects by Emergo. Through Emergo, Cardano would invest in a number of startup projects to boost the adoption of the blockchain. Number 3. VeChain VET. Now, coming to next one, VeChain was invented by Sunny Lu, the former Chief Information Officer (CIO) of Louis Vuitton China in 2015. VeChain was a good investment in 2021, and the same is true for 2022. According to technical analysis, the risk-to-reward ratio is almost 9 to 1, 8.92 to 1, which is better than Bitcoin and Ethereum. The fundamentals are also solid, with good tech, a good team, and many real-world use cases. It started as one of China's largest blockchain companies and is among the few blockchains that already have a substantial customer base among established companies. The VET USD forecast from Digital Coin predicts the price will rise over time. It projects that VET will average $0.22 in 2021, $0.266 in 2022, $0.44 in 2025, and $0.68 in 2028. Indicating that the price could remain below $1 for the rest of the decade, but the returns are not normal. Number 2. Blockchain-based payment network Stellar Lumens. Stellar was developed by Stellar Development Foundation (SDF), a non-profit organization founded in 2014 to support the development and growth of the open-source Stellar network. No matter where your money is being sent, it will only take a few seconds and cost a fraction of a penny. Stellar has a decentralized exchange built into the protocol. This allows users to change between different currencies quickly and efficiently, something that is difficult in today's financial infrastructure. The cost to complete the transaction is just 0.0001 XLM. It takes more than 263,000 transactions just to rack up $1 in fees. The Stellar network seems to have a good long-term potential given the gaps it helps to bridge compared to traditional payment systems. As Stellar keeps on building and expanding its network worldwide as a cross-border means of payment, its cryptocurrency might also continue to gain prominence. Stellar Lumens price can be in the high of $0.65 to $0.75 in 2021, and by the time 2022 Stellar price is predicted to touch $0.90. The predicted high for 2022 might be around $0.95. And on the downside, the low might be around $0.85 and still give a decent return. And now the last altcoin of the day. Number 6. Chainlink LINK. The Chainlink network was launched in June 2017 by the for-profit company Smart Contract. It greatly expands the capabilities of smart contracts by enabling access to real-world data and off-chain computation while maintaining the security and reliability guarantees inherent to blockchain technology. September eclipsed this momentous growth with 84 new integrations, including Cardano's strategic collaboration to integrate Chainlink's oracles and Chainlink's proof-of-reserve data feed for wrapped Filecoin on Gemini. Chainlink price today is $26.887, with circulating supply of 456,509,554 Link. Buy 1 billion Link. Link is a fantastic long-term investment. According to their price prediction, Link should keep bullish momentum and may rise to $45 by 2022. Over the next few years, Chainlink is expected to grow further and reach as high as $100 by 2025. Now, as we said, these coins are undoubtedly optimistic and feasible for the near future, and you should definitely add them to your portfolio. But before you go, I'd like to remind you of a few things that are important. It's important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets remain extremely volatile, making it difficult to accurately predict what a coin's price will be in a few hours, and even harder to give long-term estimates. We recommend that you always do your own research and consider the latest market trends, news, technical and fundamental analysis, and expert opinion before making any investment decision. That's it for the day, guys. What do you think about it? Will altcoins leave Bitcoin into dust, or that's too ambitious in the current situation? Let everyone know your thoughts on it and brainstorm them in the comments section down below. If you like our content, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, peace.